Okay, so another alteration that you can make to a loan is you can ask for a payment break during the loan. So in this example, we've got Ailey took out a mortgage of £120,000 and that's going to be annual repayments at the end of each year for 28 years. We've got an effective interest rate of 4.6% per year. So after the 8th payment, Ailey is put on furlough, so that's kind of a pause from working. And she asks the lender if she can miss the next 3 payments. She's still taken out over 28 years, but obviously because she's missing 3 years worth of payments, when she starts paying it back again, those payments are going to have to be higher. Okay, so in the spreadsheet that we have just now, a lot of stuff is missing. So we're going to have to do goal seek to work out how much the level payment is in the first place, and then pop everything else in. Okay, so we know that our repayment amount to begin with is going to be our level annual payment here. Make that absolute, and we can fill that down to 28. Okay. Our interest content is going to be our interest rate, which we make absolute because that's not changing, and we multiply that by the capital outstanding from the year before. And that's going to change each year, so we leave that as it is. And that will take us nicely all the way down again, with nothing to change there. Oh, we missed one. There we go. That's going to bother me. There we go. Our capital content is what's left from our level payment, take away our interest content. Okay, so again, that's going to be the same all the way down. And then our capital outstanding is the capital that we had from the year before. Subtract the capital that we've paid. Okay, so yes, it looks a little bit weird because we've got negatives and things in there, but we know that when we do goal seek, that will all work itself out. So data, what if analysis, goal seek. So we are setting our final cell to be 0 by changing our level annual payment. Okay, so to begin with, she's paying £7,708 and 5 pence each year. So after year 8, we're taking a payment break. So she's not paying anything in year 9, in year 10, or year 11. There is no money being paid. You can replace them with zeros if you prefer. Okay, but no money is being paid there. So that's why we've got some negative balance going on here, because if I'm not making a payment, but I have to pay an interest payment, it's going to get added on. Okay. So we're going to perform goal seek again, but at year 12, we're now going to have a different payment. So you see there's a box up here ready for us to put our revised payment in. Except I should have made that absolute, because that is going to remain the same for the rest of the term. So I'm going to fill that down to there. Now, everything else in here is going to be the same. There is no changing interest rate, and how we work out capital content and loan outstanding is exactly the same. So if I go to what if analysis, goal seek, so I am still setting that final cell to 0, but this time we are changing this cell here that we've set up for it. Let it do its thing, and there we go. So for the remainder of the 28 years, her payments will go up to £9,791.28 a year because she took that 3-year break.